Gabe has a play date later on this afternoon, so I thought I would show you what I am making to bring to this play date. Every week, moms alternate, and this is my week. So let's make the treat together.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You